and let me love you for the night.
High volume.
I like how you wrap around the edges, laying on your chest in my bed now. Loving all the days we together. If they don't get it, then forget it. I do, yeah. I do the way I do, and they don't know me like you. All the things that we've been through. Love when you call me baby, make me feel like your lady, and we go off around that cake. Love is never lazy, but when I wake up, you ain't there. Now I'm going crazy. I ask myself why we can't be closer. I play those same games 1,000 times over, and you got us all night with me, oh don't you?
And we gonna call it a day. I really could leave it like this. When I dye back black, I am gonna wear, I'm gonna get some leave-in conditioner so I can just check my curls. She's definitely giving ice spice. For sure. I'm gonna load it up so my hair won't be as dry.
You and your mouth catching checks that you know gonna bounce. You say you promise and promise you'll figure it out, but I can't wait to tease me. I back down.
Every day I wanna pick up the phone.
And we go off around that cake. Love is never lazy,
You're everything I need and more.
but I can't wait to tease me. I back down.
Like a cold summer afternoon, like the snow coming down in June.
Back
Like
down.
a wedding without a groom. I'm missing you. From the desert without the sun. You're the one that would got mine.
Back down.
U.S. Army Reserve.
Starts with humidity, and it ends with L'Oreal Paris Everpure Iron Sleep.
I'm not here.
Visit. I was back to work in no time and feeling great.
We have performed.
We just got our hair done. We just got our hair done. Hate that. We're gonna put this on because we don't want no bumps. So I'm about to go film my hair for my braider Kelly. Because I also have to go to the mall to find something to wear. Because tomorrow I'm hosting a brunch. So excited, so nervous. It's like 10 of us, I think.
2 a.m. again and I'm thinking about 2 a.m. again and I'm thinking, should I come through? Then I come kick with you. 2 a.m. again and I'm thinking about it's 2 a.m. and I'm stuck up thinking about the last time you were behind me. I'm in the mirror, I could see everything you will be doing. I could see everything looking at me like you love me. No, you don't love me. I never care long as I come first. You come on time, I reverse. You rewind, do it again. Stuck in time, do it again. All you ever say is come and see me once. Come and see me once. You don't ever come to me, yeah. You don't ever come, why you never?
Dennis Walker Station from Apple Music. I do like 90, take for my boo just to tell you that she wish you got from me. But now she don't fuck with me.
Next one. Checking 1 3, checking 1 2 3, 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 A B C D E F G. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Today it's Sunday, June the 14th, and I am getting ready to host my first ever brunch. So me and the girls And by girls, I mean like my hygiene friends. That's really all I hang out with now. It's like my dental hygiene friends, Darnell, Lonzo, and some other people here and there. That's really all I've been hanging out with lately, to be honest with you. We just be doing a lot of stuff together. We talking about travel. We got some trips coming up. We got some other events coming up. But we're in this friend group circle with all the hygienists like Jazz, Jalitha, Gabby, some other girls that you guys will meet today on camera. We kind of like trying to build a community where we are building a community, not trying. We are building a community. So long story short, because I'm rambling, long story short, I'm hosting a brunch today. And we're trying to do this thing where we all host different type of events. Like I think Jalitha's going to do a pool party. Gabby normally does like a lot of events. So we're just picking up some of the slack because we gotta, she can't be the only one hosting stuff. So I was like, you know what? I can host a brunch. Now, when I said it, I didn't know I was actually, I knew I was going to do it, but I didn't know how it was going to get done. All of me would have been stressing. So I ended up finding a caterer through TikTok. She's going to cook brunch. She's actually going to deliver the brunch here at 2. I'm going to go down the hall to my little clubhouse. We're going to go in there. It's first come, first serve. So hopefully nobody's in there before the food gets here. So by the time we set up, I can claim that spot. I'm also taking pictures today, so that's what I'm trying to get cute. I got my hair braided. I don't know if y'all saw it. Did I show y'all my hair? I don't know. I can't remember. So I got my hair braided. I got my face mask on. I got my coffee because I woke up a little late than I wanted to, but it's okay because Darnell's running late too. He ate an edible last night, and he's just now getting up. He's supposed to meet me in my house at 12:30. It's now 12. It's 12:02 now. So I would have still been on time because it don't take me long to get ready. But I'm lying. That was a lie. But this wouldn't take me long to get ready because my clothes are already picked out and I already know what I'm wearing. And the only thing I really gotta do is my face, period. And by face, I mean my skincare routine, y'all, is extensively long. It's getting to the point where I'm like, damn, is this really necessary? But it is necessary because, beauty hurts. No, Beyonce say pretty hurts, not beauty hurts. Pretty hurts. Perfection is a disease of a nation. It's just so that it's a surgery. Yeah, I'm hosting a brunch. I'm excited about it. We always do a little after set, so we may end up in my house popping bottles, smoking hookah, or we might be at the pool or the rooftop. Like my outfit is cute. It's giving grown and sexy, which has been the vibe lately for me, grown and sexy. I also bought some new cologne from Zara. First of all, shout out to Zara. Zara, this right here, screenshot it. That right there, make panties and boxers come off immediately. Smells good. Smells fucking amazing. It's called, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this first word right, Bogas Vibrant Summer Leather. But all of a sudden, y'all, it got dark in my house. I'm like, what's going on? Girl, I turn around and look. It's raining, y'all. But it's supposed to stop in like the next 10-20 minutes. So my event is not till 3. It's like 12 something right now. This is crazy. What the fuck? But the event is inside anyway, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Ashton, you wanna say hello? Ashton. He gets on my nerves sometimes. He just finished eating and he smelled like, I hate how that tuna smell. It's disgusting. All right, say hello to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Ebony. Yeah. Ooh, wee. Oh, hey. They know you move.
Thank you. Yum.
Cheers to many more. Yes. Everybody too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. This is so cute.
blessed. I am blessed. I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I rely on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. It's like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I rely on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am.
She don't like the rain. She don't like things crashing down. Yeah. She won't make a play. Baby, I bet that I could show you how. Saw her burning on the street, burning on the street. Smoke's my testimony. Smoke's my testimony. Just don't stand so close to me. No, 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 no. Yeah. And that's the night you'll be my only, my only. Yeah, yeah. See, she got her own way to make things go. All of the things I tried to keep low, feeling like I've been changing. So what you doing being a stranger? Singing I got a ticket but I can't go. I need a place I can call my home, my home. Tell me where you going tonight, baby. I need to know if that's alright.
What's up, chat? I am back on this camera. Today is Tuesday. It's currently 7:42 p.m. I got off work around like 5, went to the store, ran errands. You see, oh, I got bags over here. So tomorrow we are having a, dang, my mind always goes blank. Why do I always go blank? Tomorrow we are having a potluck for Juneteenth. It's a Juneteenth potluck. One thing about my job, they look for any reasons to have food and everybody cook. So they requested I make my peach cobbler, which I forgot about. So after work, I ran to the store, picked up everything. I'm gonna make one for the office and one for home so I can keep home myself, because every time I make one for the office, I never get a chance to eat any of my own cooking. Not trying to toot my own horn, but I'm just saying, I never get a chance to eat any of my own peach cobbler. So I'm gonna make 2. So I got all the ingredients. We're gonna get started. I wanted to get in the shower first, then do it. But if I take off these clothes, get in the shower, it'll be 11 o'clock before I go to bed, and I'm not trying to go to bed that late. Like, my bedtime is 10:30. Like, I have to be in bed physically by 10:30. Because I now go to the gym at like 4. Well, I get up at 4 a.m. to go to the gym by 5, to be home again by 6:15, 6:30, to leave for work around like 7:10. So yeah, I'm on that type of time and that type of schedule now. But we're gonna cook. I got so much champagne left. First of all, let's talk about my brunch that I had. Brunch went amazing. I had most of my girls with me. We had a ball. The food was great. Shout out to the caterer. I didn't have to cook. I paid for convenience. I'm not finna cook. I just wouldn't. It wouldn't have went the way I wanted to go. So the food was great. We had a good time. But yeah, I had a great time. Then after the brunch, we came back up into my house. I made hookah. I bought another hookah, y'all. So y'all can't talk about me no more. I still got my electric hookah, but this is my newest one right here. So now I have two. I have the electric one. I have the original one with the coals and stuff like that. So I was up here making hookah like a hookah boy. The hookah was hitting. They was fighting over the hookah. We was drinking. Then we ended up going to Utopia, which is like a little lounge up the street from my house. Had a great time up in there. We had like one drink, a hookah, came back to the house, and I was up all night. Monday, I recovered, and then Tuesday, here we are. So the brunch was definitely 10 out of 10 experience. I'm low-key so tired, y'all. I'm so tired. But I see why getting up there early, going to the gym before work helps you go to bed on time, because I'm tired. So enough of the talking. Let me get ready and prep everything, and then y'all have seen me cook this before, but we'll see. I'm gonna show y'all bits and pieces of it, and we'll go from there. Also, I want to say thank you guys for showing me so much love on the 2 travel vlogs that I posted within the past 2 weeks. Y'all really been showing out with that. So I really appreciate that. I love you guys. Y'all know I'm here for you. I'm here for you. You know, I'm putting it out there. I'm putting the content out there. So I'm forever grateful for that. Y'all still got my hair done. This is the new style. First of all, I've been getting so many compliments on my hair. Shout out to Kelly. And then also me and Ebony. Shout out to Ebony as well. She's going to do a style on me. I'm going to let her pick, because I let Kelly pick this. I'm going to let Ebony pick, and like, I just love when the girls get creative. Get creative, you know what I'm saying? I will be your model, your muse, whatever you want me to be. I'll be that. I think it's fun. And I'm a little adventurous, so I like stuff like that.